In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop notifications from Fotmob. So sometimes we may be bombarded with a lot of notifications from Fotmob, and turning them off is all you need to get a peace of mind. Now to do this, go to settings. And then look for apps. From here, choose the option called manage apps. Now scroll down until you get to Fotmob. And as you can see, our Fotmob app is here. Tap on it to open. Now, if you look at notification option, it is turned to yes. And this is one of the reasons why you are receiving a lot of notifications. If we open it, you can see all the notifications have been turned on. To turn them off, all you need to do is to toggle this show notification button. And then this will go ahead and turn off all vibration, all notifications, even all floating notifications from showing up from this app. So that's how you stop notifications permanently from Fotmob. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.